Hello guys, I've been away for a little bit. Uh-oh. I've been away for a little bit.
Just a little, we don't do that.
But now I'm back. We're going on another.
I know they missed me. Hold on, let me show my face.
We're going on another.
Hey y'all, I know it's been some years.
We're going to the Goodwill.
That's
enough. That's enough. We're going to the Goodwill.
Okay, hold on. Let me do my spiel. Hold on, let me hold the camera. Hey y'all, I know it's been a long time. I'm the real reason. Oh wait, it's backlighting. Here.
So as you know, we're going to the Thrift one more time.
What?
Trying to see what we can find today. What is going on? I feel like it don't ever cease to not stink in a Goodwill. I'm gonna try my best to dig and look for something.
I'm doing a little.
Alright guys, that was it. Oh, watch me run into this car.
It's back.
With what?
I don't know.
With the pandemic
What's hot out here?
in hand, this is only the one stop we had to go. Brianna just needed a black dress. That's the only reason we came out. But
Oh look, tell them how successful. I was successful today.
yeah, they saw, Britton found some, well I guess I found the jeans, but Britton found some nice jeans. Oh, Brianna, show me your dress. You don't want to show me your dress? We came here for Brianna to find a dress for one of my sisters. I guess my only other sisters.
You can't say that out loud.
Oh, you can't talk about that? What you bought the dress for? You can?
Just a ceremony.
Oh, a ceremony that my other sister's doing. So that's how we came here, but I thought why not try to find something for myself. And it's actually been a long time since I found any clothing at Goodwill because I always just look for fabric now. But those pants are really nice. I do have to take them in, so maybe this will be also a thrift flip combination as well because they do look big and like you can't try things on because of the pandemic right now. So I'll have to just try them on and then take them to the studio. Hello guys, it's a few days later and I'm at the studio. So originally I was gonna do like a thrift flip for the pants that I found at the thrift store with my brother and sister, but I washed and dried them this morning and they fit, which is so awesome. I actually really do like them. I might bring them up a little higher so you can see my little boots, but not today because I have to do some work for my job. So that's the real reason why I'm here, to sew up some stuff. A lot has changed since I've last seen you guys on the tube. It's been like 2 months, I think. But I have a new job where I help out a lovely lady sew up leather goods. It's pretty awesome. I really do enjoy it. So that's what I'm working on today. But I wanted to show you guys the pants and basically how I'd wear it. I mean, literally I look like a pirate today. But that is fine because I got my little boots back. If you didn't know, I've had these boots for a while. And I had to throw them away recently because, oh, you can't even see. Oh my God, I'm trying to show you guys. The little Harley Davidson, oh my God. There we go. I'm trying to show you guys the little Harley Davidson logo emblem. I had to throw them away because I broke them when I was in New York. And when I moved back home with my brother and my sister, I just tossed them during the move out process because I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get these fixed. And then I found them on not Goodwill, oh my God, I found them on eBay recently and bought them again, and this time in my right size, which is awesome because my last pair were like a half size too small. Basically, I'm excited to be producing content for you guys again. I'm actually working on the next video as we speak in my mind, not physically. But stay tuned to all the new subscribers. I feel like we gained like 2,000 during my little sabbatical away. Hello, nice to meet you. So glad you're here. Can't wait to film more videos for you guys. And actually too, I'm gonna be incorporating a few other things that keep me happily dressed, like tarot and also photography, because before I sewed, I did photography and I really enjoyed it. So I think I'm gonna just do like a mixture of that on this channel. because this channel is a representation of who I am, and I'm dynamic, so this channel will be dynamic. But I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.